We got King 10 here back with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing this GameCube. I recently bought it, I recently bought it about 2 days ago, or a day ago. And it looks pretty cool, as you can see. And we're going to be unboxing it. It works way faster than my old cube, this. As you can see, my old cube turns pretty quick. It can corner cut, kinda. Yeah. But, it's obviously way better than this cube. The Rubik's brand. Anyway, let me show you all the details of this cube. The GameCube. Let me just head on to Amazon real quick. Alrighty guys, so this is it. You can do this and stuff. Has waterproof or as you can see, it's pretty cool. Good reviews. Anyway, let's unbox it. Alright, looks like there's tape here. Let's just do it the reckless way. Little packet. Alright, let's put this away. It is wrapped up. Let's open it. If I even can. Alright, we got it. Alright, put the wrapper away. And we now have, oh my gosh. I am not used to cubes like, what? I've never seen anything that works this, oh my gosh. What? It feels so weird, but it feels so good. I could turn this way faster than the other cube. Look at this. And then, look at this. You tell me which one you think is faster. Anyway, let's do a solve on this. I don't think we're going to get that high, but we can try our best. Alright, let's do the scramble. Completely scrambled, as you can see. Let's check everything. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. This is a pretty bad. I'm not doing good at all, you guys. Well, we solved it. Minute and 25 seconds. Not the best. It was decent. I mean, like, I've done better. That was a pretty sucky solve, but the cube overall is very, very fast. Like, what the heck? Is it? What even is this? Like, I don't even know how. I never knew that a cube could be this fast, to be honest. It feels so weird, but so good. It can obviously. What? I'm not used to corner cuts these good. This corner cut's way better than normal cube. It feels like insane. Let's check the manual. It looks like it's all written in Japanese or Chinese or something. Alright, this is just how to solve the cube. Anyway, I think we're good on that. That's it for the video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. But yeah, see ya.